as I live and breathe, it is the Queen of Mars sitting before me.
I do not consider it a pleasure to be before you. Cut the chase.
Well, I can see that you're very busy plotting for my death. But let me warn you. Let bygone be bygone. Let's bury the hatchet and let bygone be bygones. Because the streets will be prosperous if we embrace peace and shun war.
I don't expect you to extend the hand of peace after bringing down my boss. There will be no peace.
I know you will say this, but let me warn you. I have been existing before your name mattered. You are breathing because I allowed you to.
Really? When next we meet, I will blow off one of your ears and ask you some questions. Let's stop pretending like we are friends. We are not friends and we will never be friends.
Remove the mask. I feel a wave of familiarity.
You should feel that wave. You should get familiar with the voice of the person who is about to kill you.
Remove the mask. Let me see the face of the person that wants me dead so badly.
The day you feel my cold hands of death around you, that day I will mask myself so that you will see my face before you die. I will kill you. It's a promise.
Here comes Dumbra.
You tried to seduce my boss and you failed. Now you want to seduce his right-hand man. Huh? What is your mission here?
Do I detect jealousy in your voice? Are you jealous that I am attracted to power? I am more attracted to you because you're the one with real power. You keep him safe. Without you, he is nothing. I believe other men are loyal to him because of you.
One more word from you again. I'll kill you. I'm loyal to my boss and I'll remain loyal for the rest of my life. So get that into your skull. Numbskull.
Brave. You have started a ritual. There's no going back. From here on, you will continue your journey alone. Be brave, daughter of death.
Is she getting any better?
Sadly, no. Today is even worse. She's getting more delirious. And the fact that the boss not around makes it even worse.
I feel for Bibiana. I can imagine what she's going through. If the dead finds her unworthy of their power, they're going to kill her.
That is a very high risk to take. To toe the path of death just to defeat our enemy. It is crazy.
Forgive me, but I call it reckless and stupid. Yes. It takes the living to fight. I just pray she comes back home safe.
Idiot, I knew you were up to something right from the first day I saw you. Are you a spy?
Are you crazy? Can't you see they were ready to kill me that I went with you to go and deliver the message?
Just shut up. What are you doing here? And why are you trying to reach his power to them? Why?
Curiosity. Your boss traveled through space and time to get that object. Tell me you were not curious to touch it to see if you would disappear.
Listen, I don't trust you and I find you compromised and dubious. If you make any wrong move, I will kill you. You better be careful.
Please, forgive me for I dare to come to your presence. I'm a tainted human who is here to seek for powers. Please help me. Don't forsake me. Please. Please. I beg of you. Please.
Daughter of the dead, you are welcome to our sanctuary. For 3 days and nights, you must feel at home and enjoy the waves of the spirit and wind as they pass through you. You are home. Rest peacefully. Only after then shall your wish be granted unto you.
Boss, Moye seems suspicious. I have a feeling that she was sent by the Sapet Sisters gang to spy on us. She's an implant.
I suspected that too. Especially when she made advances towards my body. She thinks she can use it to block my vision and perception with sex.
So what do you want me to do, boss?
Cut her head off. Parcel it. Deliver it to the serpent gang. Let it sound like a warning to them. If they trespass, kill them.
Boss, this is very fast and concise. I suggest we just play along and try to use her to get them trapped. I feel it's the best idea.
I like the sound of that. Maybe we can use it as a wrong message. Then allow them to fall on their own trap. Can go ahead with it.
Okay, boss.
Thank you. Thank you, the dead, for finding me worthy to be empowered. I promise to work for you and raise people with this power. Thank you.
You made it, my daughter, from the land of the dead. I knew you were worthy of their gifts.
I'm sorry, Mother. So sorry I roped you into my fight. My battles.
Don't say that. What mother will sit back and watch her daughter restless? I couldn't sleep. I've been awake waiting for you to come back. So you can swear to me and promise that you will keep the sisterhood safe. And promise me that you will bring justice to my death and end the reign and life of Dombra.
Mother, I promise you that I will make sure I end Dombra with everything in me. He will pay for all he has done to you and to all of us. I promise with my life.
Good.
Open your mouth. That's my entire life force that I put inside of you. If you do as I command you, the force inside you will keep you safe and empower you. But if you break the promise, the force inside you will eat you slowly till there will be nothing left, and eventually you will die.
I will keep to my promise, Mother. I will obey you and I will fight for your death. I promise on my life. Thank you for finding me worthy. Thank you.
I've been breathing because I allowed you to breathe. I do not believe the mercifulness that I've given to you. Use it to empower and to cause the tea of conflict. I shall take them away. I shall take them away.
Mother!
Mother, no! Don't do this to me! Mother!
You are a hell of a tigress in bed, baby. Ha, God. You want to kill me?
says by the insatiable lion in bed. I noticed I still have my head intact. That translates that you did not tell your boss that I touched his power totem. And you're someone who doesn't keep anything away from him.
That doesn't mean my loyalty is unquestionable. I did everything because I love you and I want you to be safe for me. You know, I don't even know what you have done to me. You all over my head.
And what does that make us?
The funny thing is that I can't even tell. I'm just trying to take it a step at a time. Babe, I'll be going on a very risky mission and I don't know if I'll come back to your arms.
A risky mission? Is it something private or you want to share so that I can pray for your safe return?
We are about to rob the Flyers gang and this is a very dangerous gang. We want to take their weapons and it's a very risky mission.
Come on, don't be scared, my love. Your boss Dumbra is very powerful and invisible. You'll be safe.
I know that doesn't change the fact that we are going on a very, very tedious mission. And I want to come back to you because I love you. You know, right?
You know I love you too.
I want us to embark on a mission. And I want this mission perfectly done. We need to take down Dumbra. They are planning to attack Flyers gang. And I want us to be that gang that they never expected. In the midst of gunfire, we will just appear and take Dumbra down. This is the perfect time to strike.
Boss, this is a very good plan. Well, except for the fact that our target is practically immortal because of his juju.
Even if we shoot him while he's distracted, there is no certainty that he will die. Regardless, we will take our chances. Not until we find out where he got his power and what limits it. We will keep striking, poking bullets till he takes his last breath. We will not surrender.
Boss, this is a very risky thing to do. We'll be stuck in between two dangerous gangs at war.
We are dangerous and we are also at war. Do not let your heart tell you otherwise or fail you. I'll personally kill Dumbra with my hands. By myself. No gimmicks.
Here comes Dumbra. Dumbra, Dumbra, Dumbra. You know the fear of this. Dumbra.
I can see you're working so hard, but the problem is that you're so emotional and undirectional.
Dumbra is speaking through the laptop!
Sit back and enjoy what I have for you. How did it go? Is the mask queen dead?
I'm sorry, boss. Aside from the driver's body, we did not see any other body.
What happened? It's a dangerous chemical that's supposed to deprive her of oxygen. What's going on? The last time I checked, I know her powers can only take her out, not the girls. What happened? Is it a power upgrade or something?
Boss, I'm so confused. She's extremely intriguing. And we must keep investigating till we find out who she is. She acts like she has a beef with you in the past.
It's good to know that you're not realizing that it's no longer about territory. But make sure the driver's family is well compensated. He sacrificed his life. Yes.
Noted, boss. This proves that Noye is a spy that gives information to the Serpent Gang.
I must commend that. I must commend your proactiveness. We will continue to use her against our people. She made a very dangerous mistake. She took a very dangerous risk by coming against us. That must be stupid of her.
This bastard knew all along. He's playing.
You mean he knew you were a spy and allowed you walk out alive? Yeah?
For this reason. To listen to wrong information, led us trap and deliver it to you so that you can walk into it. I have been compromised. They used me to lure you into the trap and destroy my family.
You don't have to be too hard on yourself. I totally underestimated Dombra and Samuel. What was I even thinking? That they would believe your distress story? They don't have any empathy in them, so there is no way they would have shown you sympathy. I should have known better. But what was that smoke? What the hell was that smoke?
Asking myself same thing. He went as far as sacrificing his driver just to make a statement.
Whatever that was, if you have stayed 1 more minute there, what will be saying on this gibberish?
What do you want me to do, boss? Considering the fact that they already know our plans, I can't go back there, they will kill me.
No, yeah. If they had wanted to kill you, they would have done that long time ago. I can understand if you don't want to go back to their camp. If you're too scared to go back, it's fine, don't go back. But I want you to be close to Samuel. Very close to him. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you need to.
There is trouble in the streets. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the streets. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite.
Hey.
What? What's going on? You thinking of shooting me?
I made you the king that you are today. You are nothing without me. Just because you possess superpowers does not make you invisible. One day I will take what is rightfully mine. Because Dombra is Donatus without me, Samuel. You are nothing without me. You are nothing without me.
There is trouble in the streets. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the streets.
Did you see the fear in his face? He was scared like a child who's about to call the mother for rescue. I love this new power of mine. I can turn into anything, move to anywhere, undefeated. Poor Dombra. I will make him paranoid with Samuel. And when that happens, he will lose concentration
and I will strike. He would definitely pay for everything he has done to me, my mentor, and everyone around me. I love this power!
Boss, is everything okay? I heard you talking to someone. Is everything alright?
How can everything be alright? When you were here pointing gun at my head. Say it is that I can easily blow off your head.
Boss, I was not here. It was not me, boss. Whoever you saw was a spirit trying to turn you against me.
That is it. That is mostly like it. How is it possible for anyone to acquire such power? They die attempting to have it.
Boss, what power are you talking about?
The power from the sanctuary of the dead and furious. They are the only one that has ability to turn human into any form. They can have ability to penetrate into anyone. But none of my enemies have such power.
How bad is it, boss?
As bad as they can turn into my mother's form. And make my mother to kill me. Because they will know that I will feel relaxed thinking that my mother will not harm me.
This is really serious, boss.
What?
Greetings, Dumbra. What is bothering you? Is this something I can help? Or should we go and see SNY?
I had a strange visit last night. Someone used my right man's body to threaten me.
What? That must be your enemy.
That is why I'm here. Because that kind of enemy that will possess that kind of power must be from the sanctuary of the dead and the furious. What should I do?
For your enemy to get you, that enemy must use what protects you.
That exactly. That makes me to live at their mercy. But I shall never do that. Because they breathe because I allow them to breathe. They will have mercy if I decide for them to have mercy. Because I am Dumbra, the lion that doesn't need to roll for the jungle to see what is present or what is happening. I am Dumbra, the current in the wire. The most powerful, the most fearless. This is who I am.
Here comes Dumbra. Dumbra, Dumbra, Dumbra. He know the fear your face. Dumbra. He know the fear your face. Dumbra.
What stops me from killing you just like this now?
That will be you making me believe you are a coward who is too scared to face people face to face and fight.
You made a valid point. I'm proud to show you that I can kill you. But I don't like hiding the face of the person I'm going to kill. I want to see the face of the person I'm fighting with. And your mask denies me the pleasure.
You're not here to talk about my mask. Kill me and then you shall unmask me. Something made you move so desperately. I don't know you to move in a sneaky manner. Why are you here?
You think you know me? Well, I have come to warn you to fight fairly. Stop playing petty tricks. I know that the shapeshifter was you. The next time you pull a stunt like that, I'll blow your last breath.
Is this the part where you want me to admit I'm the one or deny it? I see why you sneaked up on me like that. You are restless. You don't know what next the devil has in stock for you. You don't know when they are planning to take you down and kill you.
You will be the biggest fool to think I'm easy to kill.
With all your confidence,
You are here hunting for the shapeshifter. Your confidence sounds like you're scared, man.
I will ask you, and your death shall be worse than that of your predecessor.
Let me see you try, Dombra. Let me see you try. But get ready for what I have planned for you. I promise you it's going to be bloody. Now, get out of my car. I can't be breathing the same air with you. Out before I drive you to hell.
Drive on! I will vanish out the way I vanished in. Move!
Here comes Dombra. Dombra, you know the fear your face. Dombra, you know the fear your face. Dombra, you know the fear.
You're playing with fire.
Dombra, you know the fear anybody. Dombra, you know the fear your face. Dombra, know the fear at all. Dombra, you know the fear anybody. Dombra. You are a dangerous man, Dombra. Ojo bara kweke, Dombra. Ejira kwama, enyo chare. Dombra is ready to fight. Oh, hey, Dombra. You know the fear. Everybody know your name. Hey, oh, Dombra.
You have nerves asking us to meet after pulling the stunt. Using me to set trap for my people.
That is because you've been playing me all this while. You've been a spy, trying to cause problem between me and my boss.
What's your plan? To sleep with me? Make me vulnerable and kill me?
That is why you climb my bed. That is the reason why you climb my bed. You try to seduce me with your body. Made me submissive to you. You know what? You're lucky. Because anyone that is a traitor to my boss is supposed to die by my hands. But look at me, missing your kisses.
That's for trying to kill my sisters.
Sorry. I missed you, babe.
I missed you too. Call me soon, okay?
Okay, I will.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the border.
Where were you all day?
Greetings, boss. I had an information, boss, so I went to track it. It's from an anonymous tip.
Squeeze this trigger and watch your boss flow down here before us. If you lie to me again because of a woman. Is there gold flowing down there?
No, boss. Boss, please, boss. I fear that you might not accept her. Boss, I'm doing everything possible to unmask the queen. You know, women can do crazy things for love, boss. Please forgive me, boss.
Don't be too confident. Make mistakes while you love with a woman.
Boss, you know I can never betray you, boss. Anything I'm doing for you, boss, and for the gang, boss.
Oh, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Samuel is sleeping with a woman just because of me and the gang. Rubbish. Don't try this again, else you'll be drawing your last breath.
Noted, boss. I promise you it won't repeat itself again, boss.
Get out.
Thank you, boss.
Use the other way if it's not open.
I think he feels threatened by the shape-shifting powers.
But it's not enough if knives and guns cannot penetrate him.
I totally agree with you. You know, I am surprised Donatus is now such a powerful man. He used to be scared. He's a very scared cat. Amongst us, I used to be the brave one.
But you're still braver than him. Because you dare to acquire a power no human dares to acquire.
You just said it. That is not enough to defeat him.
But it gives you an edge. Yes. I'm sure wherever he is now, Dombra is scared. Scared to death. For anyone to come close to him. Because he sees you in them.
We need to break him. Take away his peace and confidence.
And the only way to do that is to check for his limitations and use them against him.
Nonya?
Yes, boss.
Where are you coming from? Where have you been?
I went to meet someone.
Did you sleep with him?
What?
You heard me.
I mean, yes. I had to make him fall in love with me. Trust me and be submissive. Call it manipulative sex.
Manipulative sex. Be careful, Noye, so you don't end up being the one being manipulated. Women are very loyal in nature. When we fall in love, we give everything. And if you're not careful, that same love could consume you. I'm saying all of this because I've been there before. I don't want you to make graveyard mistakes.
No. That's too extreme for this situation. I'm only sleeping with him to get information. Nothing more.
Be careful.
Yes, boss.
Yes! You're very useless. Very, very useless. Why is it so difficult for you to expose a single woman? Show me her face! You cannot do that. Why?
I'm sorry, boss. The Queen of Marks is not an easy target. She's the most ruthless of the street.
So am I. I took down the queen and became the king. So everyone should fear my wrath. I hate fighting faceless people. Especially when I know that the fight is personal. What's going on here?
I promise you, boss, I will reveal her true identity. Please.
No. You promised me you will reveal her true identity. How? By sleeping with her girl? I can see you're too confident with this your cock. Yes. Listen, you need to take more proactive measures. Something that she will not see coming. You have to do that. Okay?
Noted, boss.
Good. Have an idea.
Here comes Dombra. Dombra, Dombra, Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. Dombra, no the fear at all. Dombra, oh, you know the fear anybody. Dombra, oh,
I just saw the mob doctor, and he says she'll be fine, she will not die, and she's stable right now.
I feel so relieved. I never wished to see that girl die because of Dombra and I. I'm glad.
Boss, do you know that girl before? Because I mean, that girl came out to take a bullet for you. She stood like a vest, a bullet vest, just for you.
I've not met her before. I can't remember meeting someone like her.
You know, I'm really worried. Everything is happening so fast. But I just feel there's something not right. Like there's this huge storm coming.
I don't care. My top priority is to make sure she's fine and compensate her for such huge sacrifice.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street.
What is it, boss?
Unbelievable that I couldn't know the voice, the boldness, the aura. Because it's only one woman that has ever made me feel insecure as a man. Because she has the balls, same size of a man.
I don't understand, boss. Are you talking about the Queen of Masks?
The Queen of Masks is dead and risen. And I will do everything to make sure I send her back to the land of the dead.
Are you talking about who I'm thinking?
Exactly who you think she is. Bibiana is alive.
What?
She is behind the mask. She's the Queen of the Mask.
Nothing has really changed about you. Even after making money, you still have a very poor taste. I can say from the flavor of this horrible, cheap, God-forsaken wine that lacks richness and nutrients. What is this?
I can see. And you're busy enjoying the wine. Is that sarcasm or irony? What is it? Better remove that mask, Bibiana. Oh. What were you thinking? That you will hide away from me forever? After you boldly approached me and threatened me. No. You don't get to back on someone without being ready to back out.
You can't unmask me. Do you have cameras in my home? It's not possible.
Someone was resourceful enough to help me out. There are so many cracks in your family. First, coming from Kate turning against your mother. Someone else turning against you. Who can you trust?
You must be very gullible to think you can manipulate me into believing my girl did this. The last time you succeeded in taking me unawares was because I trusted and loved you, but not anymore. That can never happen again.
Well,
this time around, I will show myself.
Well, next time you're here, Dikeh, wear the damn mask. Because I want to see your real face. I want to see the fire of vengeance blazing in your eyes.
You can't withstand it.
that fire will definitely burn you alive.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood.
One of you took a picture while I was resting outside and sent it to the enemy, making the fight more difficult. And I'd like to know, what did he offer you? My position? Power? Money? What could make any of you make such costly mistake? I'll check all your purses. From there I can dictate who is guilty.
Two captains can never be in a ship. Two drivers can never drive one car.
Boss, it's not me. It's not me. I cannot betray you for anything. Not when his life threatening. I would rather die.
I know you're not the one, but listen and listen attentively. If there is something you are doing or thinking about doing that will hurt the sisterhood, quit. I can't wait to find out who did this to me. When I do, I will deal with that person.
Boss, this must be Lola. She's here on a mission.
How can she be the one when the doctor said she's still unconscious because of the gun wound?
Everybody fighting to survive in the street. Guys, se pasa nombre. Ochi ya de rafanese. Icho bare nyegia. Icho no fenyegia. Oh oh. Brotherhood fighting sisterhood.
How are you?
I'm fine. I hope you're pleased, boss.
Extremely. I must thank you for getting close to her, taking the risk to obtain that picture. I would like to compensate you for the job well done.
Oh, wow. Well, I have few ideas on how I want to be compensated. Right. What are you doing? So your thing can't stand up from my touch. Oh! The river goddess. She took your vanity as a man in exchange for the power you possess.
You think I'll not know you? Bibiana.
Stop being cocky. I only said that to give you a hint about who I am.
So now you not live around like a living spirit.
Surprised to know that an evil spirit is scared of evil spirit. Donatus, let me tell you something. You can't go scot-free. You will pay for everything you have done to me. You will pay.
Dobra, Donatus died the day he killed you. He took away his weakness so that he will be fine. Can't you see that after giving away the weakness, after killing you, can't you see what he has turned out to be? Dobra, the most fearless, the powerful one, the current in the wire, the high tension. Can't you feel it? Can't you see it?
To me, you are nothing. I still see you as a coward. I was in love and trusting you, doing everything for you. I never knew you see me as a contender.
My love, something really big is about to happen on the horizon. And if we don't move big, we cannot be big. At all.
So what do you have in mind?
See, I got this tip that the Serpent Sisters gang has this... They possess this treasure in the black market. So I suggest we go take it from them.
My love, you are so hilarious. Look at how easy you're making it seem. The person you're talking about is a dreaded, notorious crime queen. Nobody dares to cross her line and go scot-free. Going to rob her is just like signing your own death warrant. Are we ready for that?
Of course we are ready. It's important. We just arrange few guns. Then we'll use it to scare her security. Letting them move away, then we'll enter there, take the treasure and move. Simple. I don't need to tell you how robbery works now. You know everything.
Hi, I wish it's that easy. I totally understand how robbery works, but this case is different. Listen, when you want to attack people, first of all, you ask about their strength and weakness. But the most dangerous thing about notorious crime queen is that she does not have any iota of weakness. Everything about her is strength. And she possesses this juju power that nobody dares to cross her lane.
What are you not saying? What are you saying? We should quit?
No. That's not what I'm saying. Listen. Before we embark on such operation, we need to fortify ourselves, especially you. We need to find Ezbote Zedibia Karaka. Do you understand?
Yes. So, are you saying we should quit now? Remember, no venture, no gain. You always say that to me.
I do, and that's why I'm bringing this suggestion. I know one Dibia that works with another powerful Ezewine. We'll go and meet that Ezedibia and tell him that we want him to fortify you, so that you'll be strong enough to face the challenge ahead. We have to be prepared for it.
Okay.
And we have to act fast. Ezedibia, Donatus here is my boyfriend and I love him so much. I want you to help me make him very powerful because of the things that lies ahead for him.
Are you ready to do all it takes?
We are ready to do anything as long as it's going to make him powerful.
Okay. I will cook him all night in a pot. And he will have all the powers.
Please, I cannot do that. I cannot do this. I cannot be cooked in the pot. It's too risky. What if the pot is too hot and I will die inside it?
It's just like confronting the crime queen without powers and protection. You said you're big. You said you want big things. All these things cannot be done without acquiring big powers.
Please, I don't have the mind. I'm not brave enough to do that. I cannot do it. My heart is already failing me. If I try it, I will not survive it. Please, I can't do it.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. Yes, we need someone to be fearless, brave and ruthless for us to achieve this. If it takes me sacrificing myself, I am willing to do so. Listen, Donatus, I want us to be the most powerful couple that runs the affairs of the street. The most dreaded couple. That is what I want. And this requires power, so I'm willing to sacrifice myself to make sure we achieve it.
You're going to do it for us?
I will.
Hi. You're making me now look miserable. You're making me feel ashamed. I'm not feeling so hard because I don't have the kind of power you possess. Looking like a coward.
Don't worry. Let me tell you something. There is king and there is kingmaker. That is what I am to you, your kingmaker. All you need to do is to be loyal to me and love me perfectly forever. I'm your kingmaker.
Are you sure you can do this?
I did not risk my life by getting cooked and seeing the dead just to give up on the D-Day. Don't man up. This is the only opportunity we have to make it in life.
Hey, you're about to sacrifice your life to make me the most powerful and worthy man. Oh, this your bravery, I can never forget it. As long as I live, I will sing your praises.
Stop sounding as if I'm dying. Listen, Isigo Meisi, I am prepared for this journey. I will go inside there, get everything we need and come out successfully.
Okay.
Ogugu. 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 We are made for life. Yes, it is complete. We are made for life, my love. We don't have to open it here. We just need to live here now. I am... Donatus, you are a coward, and a coward you will remain. You refuse to be cooked for oppressions. You made me do everything for you, only for you to pay me back by trying to murder me. You keep saying I'm your weakness. No, I am your strength. You have all of these things because of me, and you're scared of letting the world know that you are nothing without me.
Never change. You always allow your emotions to becloud your reasoning. You always wanted to be the one that saves the day. Right now, you're allowing your emotions to lead you into a fight you know that you cannot win.
That must be torment.
I am Dombra, the most fearless, the invisible, the most powerful crime lord.
That must be torment. Because I'm the only one alive who knows what a coward and insecure fool you are. But let me tell you something, Donatus. You will pay for everything you have cost me. Every of my thing you've taken away, I will get them. For trying to murder me, you will pay. For murdering my mentor, you will pay. I am promising you a very slow and painful death.
Don't come into my house and threaten me. I have dealt with people like you who think I am small. Ask your mentor if you get a chance to meet her.
I'll be back. And when that happens, there will be no peace for the wicked.
I shall be waiting. The high tension is there. Current in the wire.
I'm telling you,
Boss!
Girls, waiting they happen.
Boss, bad news there.
Waiting happen.
That one, I guess she did escape. I don't know how. She just escaped.
It's crazy on how that girl came here, fooled us to be unconscious. I was thinking the doctor should know all these things based on the person's pulse movement or something.
That stupid girl exposed me to Dombra. She acted as if she was saving my life in a drama well orchestrated by Dombra, just to get close to me and take my picture and send to him.
No, that son of a biatch. He continues to play dirty. But boss, what will we do? What will we do that stupid girl? She can't just try to take a photograph of you just like that now. Something has to go down, eh?
It's simple. She decided her fate the day she made up her mind to toil with the mask queen. She will get what she bargained for
Find her wherever she is and make sure you give her a very painful death.
Boss, are you okay? What is it?
I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was a dream or I'm hallucinating, but I don't think everything is fine with my family.
Would you love to share? Because some dreams are signs of things to come.
I need you girls to do me a favor. You have to go to my village, please. Make sure you move unannounced in a manner you don't attract people. Find out if they are fine. My mother, my brother. Please, make sure everything is okay with them and bring me back words. I need to be sure.
That's a small thing. But for now, just go back to sleep, please. Okay?
I'll be fine.
You should be fine.
First thing tomorrow morning, you have to